Hello everyone, nice to meet you all. My name is Novia Zulfa Latifah Sharif with my NPM 21401031 and 9. First of all, thank you for Dr. Andes Mr. Yudi Kuswarajati, SAMPA, and Mr. Muhammad Iqbal Baihaki, SSMM, as lecturer in this course. Now, allow me to deliver our discuss under the title Environmental Scanning and Industry Analysis. Environmental scanning is the monitoring, evaluation, and dissemination of information from the external and internal environments to key people within the corporation. Corporation uses this tool to avoid strategic surprises and to ensure its long-term health. And the next is identifying external environmental variables. Here are some variables that influence identifying external environmental. They are economic forces that regulate the exchange of material, money, energy, and information, and technological force that generate problem-solving invention, political force that allocate power and provide constraining and protecting laws and regulation, and the last is social cultural force that regulate the values, more and custom of society. And also, here are part of identifying external environment variable. First is scanning the natural environment. The concept of sustainability argues that the firm's ability to continuously renew itself for long-term success and survival is dependent not only upon the greater economic and social system of which it is part, but also upon the natural ecosystem in which the firm is embedded. Secondly is scanning the societal environment. An example, large corporations categorize the societal environment in any one geographic region into 4 areas and focus their scanning in each area on trends that have corporate-wide relevance. By including trends from the natural environment, this scanning can called STEEP analysis. And the next is scanning the task environment. A corporation scanning of the environment includes analysis of the relevant elements in the task environment. These analyses take the form of individual reports written by various people in different parts of the firm. Here are many reports resulting from this scanning effort. First is international social consideration, so creating a scanning system and scanning the task environment. And the next is identifying external strategic factor. One way to identify analysis development in the external environment is to use the issues priority matrix as follows. Identify a number of likely trends emerging in the natural, societal, and task environment, assess the probability, attempt to ascertain the likely impact from low to high. So now we are going to move our discuss to industry analysis. Here is Porter approach to industry analysis. They are threat of new entrants, rivalry among existing firms, threat of substitute products of or service, relative power of other stakeholder, bargaining power of buyer, and bargaining power of suppliers. And now I will explain further 5 approach to industry analysis. First is threat of new entrants. Some of the possible barriers to entry are: first, economics of scale, product differentiation, and capital requirements. Second is threat of substitute products or service. Substitute products are different items that can fulfill the same purpose as another product. The third is relative power of other stakeholders. A purpose addition to Porter's framework should encompass various stakeholder groups in the task environment, including government, local communities, creditors, trade association, special interest group, unions, shareholders, and complementary. And the fourth are bargaining powers of buyers. Buyer or group of buyers is considered powerful when certain factors are present. example, a buyer purchases a large proportion of seller's product or service. Second, a buyer has the potential to integrate backward by producing the product itself. And the last is bargaining power of suppliers. Suppliers have the potential to impact an industry when suppliers' industry is dominated by a few companies, but it sells to many. And second is the product or service is unique and the last is bargaining power of suppliers. Suppliers have the potential to impact an industry when the supplier industry is dominated by a few companies, but it sells so many. Second, its product or service is unique and or it has built up switching costs. For the continuous, let my friends Rosdiani to continue our discuss.